Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another data entry work from home job lead for you. As always, the links to this company's Glassdoor page, as well as the job page if you want to get that application in, is always in the YouTube description box below this video. Today's job lead is from the company TCW Global. They have a 3.7 out of 5-star rating on Glassdoor. And they are hiring a data entry specialist. Now, this is remote for my United States folks only. This is paying anywhere from $18 to $21 an hour, and they do pay weekly. One thing is, this is a 3-month contract, but they say they have a very high potential for extension of the contract. It is full-time, Monday through Friday, and they offer medical, dental, and vision benefits. Now, TCW Global staffs different projects for many different companies, and the client on this specific project you'd be working for is establishing the leading technology and a mission to drive the advancement of cannabis legalization and provide the software services and data platforms to do so. So they're looking for someone to work with their revenue department, interpreting and entering cannabis and CBD related product information into product listings. You'll manage multiple data sources to decide the best selection. You'll alert the team with any inconsistencies, findings you find. You'll communicate with the internal team to resolve any questions or issues that you have. You'll maintain customer confidence and protect operations by keeping your information that you come across confidential. You'll review, interpret, and enter data electronically with a high degree of detail and accuracy. Now, they are not requiring any kind of college degree for this position, just a high school diploma or GED. They do want somebody who has 1 to 2 years of data entry experience, someone who can meet goals, experienced in using either G Suite, Docs, or Sheets, or Microsoft Office, Word, and Excel. Google Suite basically works almost the same as Excel. There's a few minor differences. Someone who can have high attention to detail and demonstrate the ability to communicate with present range of stakeholders. And you've got to be quality minded. All right, as always, if this job lead was not for you, that's absolutely okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really, really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.